I'm George Sokochoff with iResource Media. Gold Standard Ventures' 100% owned or controlled Railroad Pinion project in Nevada's Carlin Trend has certainly caught the attention of some of the mid-tier and major gold producers. After amassing the second largest land package in Nevada and delineating significant near-surface oxide gold deposits, Gold Standard announced in May of 2015 a $16.2 million Canadian strategic investment with Australian mid-tier gold producer Oceanagold, giving Oceanagold a 14.9% ownership of Gold Standard shares. Then, on February 9, 2016, GOLDCORP, the fourth largest gold producer in the world, stepped up to the plate with a $16.1 million Canadian strategic investment in Gold Standard Ventures. And soon after, Oceanagold, who apparently was not going to be outdone by GOLDCORP, returned with an additional $13.8 million investment, whereby increasing their ownership of Gold Standard to 19.9%. And it didn't stop there. Gold Standard continued to add even more funds to the treasury by announcing the exercise of approximately $7.5 million of $1 warrants. Jonathan Odd, CEO and Director of Gold Standard, commented, "The exercise of the $1 warrants provides the company with approximately $44 million Canadian. With our strong financial position, strategic shareholders, and highly prospective targets within the Carlin Trend, we look forward to creating significant value for shareholders in 2016. And Gold Standard wasn't planning on wasting any time to do just that by announcing a $13.4 million 2016 exploration program for their Railroad Pinion project. So let's see what they have.
Gold Standard Ventures has been continuously expanding their land position to become the junior with the largest land position in the Carlin Gold Trend of Nevada, the most prolific gold mining belt in the Western Hemisphere. More than 40 separate gold deposits have been delineated along the trend, where past production exceeds 80 million ounces of gold. It has taken years for Gold Standard to consolidate its 115 square kilometer land package at the southern end of Nevada's Carlin Trend. Prior to Gold Standard's involvement, land concessions within the Railway Pinion area were controlled by several landowners, resulting in limited exploration work. The Railway Pinion property lies south of Newmont's Emigrant Springs and Saddle mines. In 2014, Gold Standard acquired the Pinion and Dark Star gold deposits, which lie at the southern end of the Bullion Fault Corridor. This corridor is the controlling structure for mineralization and deposits on the property. The acquisitions offer Gold Standard a potential near-term development option and further consolidated the company's premier land package on the Carlin Trend. The company's first big gold discovery on the railroad land package was the North Bullion Sulfide gold deposit in 2011. Long high-grade drill intercepts support potential open-pit scenario at the North Bullion. The Pinion deposit has a 43-101 compliant resource estimate consisting of an indicated mineral resource totaling 630,300 ounces of gold and an inferred resource totaling 1,081,300 ounces of gold. 2.1 kilometers to the east of the Pinion, the Dark Star deposit has a 43-101 compliant resource estimate consisting of an inferred resource totaling 375,000 ounces of gold. Gold Standard Ventures' ability to continuously increase their land position in Nevada and raise funds for drilling in these difficult times goes to the fact of the quality of the Railroad Pinion Gold project. In April 2016, Gold Standard announced a strategic investment in Battle Mountain Gold by purchasing, by way of a $3.6 million private placement, of approximately 19.9% of Battle Mountain shares. Battle Mountain owns 60% and has an option to earn the remaining 40% of the flagship Lewis project. The Lewis property is contiguous with the 7.5 million ounce Phoenix gold mine placed into production by Newmont Mining in late 2006. Drilling on the Lewis property has traced the extension of the Virgin Zone north from the Newmont boundary onto the Lewis property for at least 4.5 kilometers, of which only a small portion has been drill tested to date. Jonathan Odd, President and Chief Executive Officer of Gold Standard, commented, "We view this investment by Gold Standard into Battle Mountain as being both strategic and district scale. Our investment highlights the quality and potential of the Battle Mountain Lewis Gold Project."
Gold Standard trades on the New York Stock Exchange MKT market and on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol GSV. I'm George Sokochoff with iResource Media.